Oh yeah, it is. It's pure snow over ice. It is a snowy day out there. Holy smokes. Very, very beautiful. All right, I think my coffee's almost ready. We are off to an amazing morning and we have not stopped. This is the first time I've had a chance to actually turn the music off behind me and catch up with you guys. So it is Sunday morning at this point, and let's see, what have we done today? We got ourselves to work. That's always a good thing. It is snowing outside. We just heard from a customer that we're supposed to get what? Something like 5 inches? I don't know. We should probably check the weather. We are here till 5 today. We have a class going on tonight, so we've got a full day ahead of us. This morning we have filled the crock pot with some yumminess. After some decision making, we decided to put in some what? Sirloin, tip roast, red pepper, onion, mushrooms, anything I could possibly cram into the crock pot, but I'm probably gonna need a bigger crock pot. Man, I may have put too much meat. The meat ratio might have definitely increased. I started with too much meat and then I couldn't fit all the veggies in on the top. Anyhow, but it's gonna be good. So got some meat and veggies on today in the background. And so this morning, what I've done so far is, well, you just saw me working on a menu for like what I call a menu. I'm about to grab it off the printer right now for the bath fizzies. That's something new that we just got into the storefront. I always say, I heard this one time before and I totally agree, that are you really in business if you don't market yourself? So for all you small business owners out there, be sure you are shaking the trees, letting people know all the great stuff that you have. So today, so far, I just did a live and showed off some new bath fizzies that we have. Oh, the heat just kicked out. I saw a meme go around starting yesterday with all the cold temperatures, or the last 48 hours. And it was a picture of Joe Exotic. Have you seen this one? Where he's in the meme. It was on Facebook, and it was in reference to like the cold temperatures and you know, me listening to my heater kick on like 24/7. And there's a picture of Joe Exotic down below it, and it says, "I am never going to financially recover from this." So we've been kind of joking about that. Yeah, it's going to be an expensive heat month. So all the more reason to market and to be able to pay your bills, right? So I just did a quick live here. I'll show you real quick what we do have because they're kind of fun. They're kind of fun. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up, these bath fizzies. And, you know, either you get it or you don't. You have a sense of humor or you don't. But I'm just going to show it to you. And you can tell me which one is your favorite saying. And this is my, what I call my menu here for my bath fizzies, because we started to add so many. And I picked up one of these little just plastic frames. I'm going to cut it, put it in here, make it look all pretty. All right, let's go get that knocked out, because today I want to get to my thrift finds. I have got the bags of the stuff that we purchased at local Goodwills, Wills with an S, multiple trips. And today I want to get them cleaned. I want to get the price tags off of them and also start the painting process, because all these candle holders and little things that I found, I need to stock my store with them. Look at our stand, by the way. Isn't it magical and beautiful? We just painted that one on the last vlog. It hasn't made it to, yes, it is magical. Matt's doing sound effects in the background. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and probably just make use of this one out here right now until I get a chance, because I can't hide it in the back kitchen. I need to use it for new stock. This is why we need to paint more stuff. We need to paint more stuff. All right, so real quick, these are they're called Candy Heart Style. Love me or not. Love me or love me not, right? It is what it is. Like I always say, I am what I am. So this kind of runs both sides of the universe, of the gamut of the be mine and kiss me and sweet thing that you are. Sweet thing, you know, all that good stuff over here. And then we have the love stinks. Look at that. Super fun, right? Be my ex, hell no, bye-bye, nope, bite me, bite me. Or this one, if you want to send a message, go away. So Matt had to run out to grab a few things for the shop that we need for supplies. It's quiet here right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on these pieces here. The not so fun part of picking off tags, probably my least desirable part, where you have to, you know, you'll have no nails if you continue to pick tags off. So I'm trying to be good today and use a sharp stick, but getting the tag off, and then of course we have to, you know, clean it. So I usually go over it with a Lysol disinfectant wipe, let it all dry before I begin the makeover process. Now this piece I will keep as is. Obviously it's a jug. I could paint it if I wanted to, but why? It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, and it's got that bee wreath design, which I really, really like. This one is going to be a pain. It's got multiple tags that will not want to come off. I'm going to have to go probably soak it. It's not worth my sanity to slowly scrape that off.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless.
Okay, so this is the table that I've told you guys about. It was actually gifted to us from a friend, and when it came in, she did not realize that it definitely needed some TLC. So, but hey, it's free. I'm happy to work with any piece of furniture. So here's what we're looking at. You know, you can see a lot of holes here and a lot of nails over here. So what we need to make sure is that the holes aren't stripped, and when it does connect, that it connects well, so it's not wobbly, and yeah, just not an issue. We would not want somebody to bump up against the table and then it fall over and hurt somebody. And it's heavy, let me tell you, it's heavy. Me and Matt just had to, holy smokes, lift it together, and minus one knuckle. It's okay, we're here. Okay, so there is the leaf that Matt brought out as well. I gotta tell you, well, maybe it will be a regular size table. At first, when I brought that little leg out right there, I thought to myself, man, if the table sits on top of that, it's not really tall, but that's okay, it's display anyhow. But now that I'm looking at this, I see how it's raised and the way they have that built. What I'm doing now is just making it a little magical, right? Putting a little like tarnished brass on here. I do love the brass, it's my favorite. Brass and gold, I just love it. Makes it super warm, and Matt is back. Yay, how are the roads?
Terrible.
Yeah, I betcha. All right, nobody was out? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and work through this now and get this project done, but look how nice that is. You see the difference it makes?
It's gorgeous.
It's gonna be gorgeous, baby. All right, I'm gonna chit chat with Matt. I'll put some music on and work through this. You can see the magic happen.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
So you know it needs some color. That means this is going to be my next project, because I can't set up my full table of beautiful candles and knickknacks that I've painted and, you know, ready for resale on this table. It needs a makeover. So that's going to be probably tomorrow's makeover.
Forever, forever.
There is a a wind chill warning in effect tonight from 7 to 11. So we're gonna get ready now to close up shop and head on home. We've got a little bit of a drive home. Yes, heat, come on. I'm gonna be turning on the seat warmers on the drive home, you better believe it. So we will be back here again tomorrow, and then yeah, let's just give this table a whole new look, something whimsical, something shabby, something interesting, something that just makes it jump for joy. Who knows what we'll do, but we'll figure it out tomorrow. All right, see you friends. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Hope everything's great. Bye.